What's up, everybody? We're at the track. This is Mac Life. We're going to check out the track, see what's going on. Got some friends here behind me. My A1 pit crew. Last time I won the race, I was here. Of course, Kevin was here. Of course, I got my boys here. Sammy's eating as usual. We're going to check it out and look at the track. Let's go over here and see what's going on. Looks like Sammy's got it all figured out. Sammy, what we got to do to win, brother?
I don't know. I'm going to secure the back like always. I got my Mac
secure the back.
Support the back. You know how it is. I'm going to be at the back of it. I'll protect you.
That's right, man. We're going to have a good time. Here's the track right here.
Always.
Looks pretty wet.
Yeah, they out here. They've been doing some grading on.
Looks pretty wet. All right, y'all wish us luck. We're going to try to keep her in one piece and park her in victory lane. There's your sidekick. Hold on.
There he is.
There's Wormy over there.
There he is. What you going to do tonight? Lose. Come on now. No, win.
That's right.
That thing winner truck, ain't we? Points champion right now. We got 2 points champions
Oh,
here.
snap.
Don't you look at y'all.
That's right. Have a good points day.
Showing off. That's all that matters. What's up, Sammy?
All right, y'all stay tuned. Man, it's hot. I'm baking out here. A little toasty, but check it out. Baby girl made it. Baby girl made it. My baby girl. Hey. My beautiful wife made it. Here's the cart. Hold on, I'm coming. Here's the cart. We got the tire pressure set. Got everything ready. Got the oil change. We're gonna go out there for qualifying. I'm just gonna run one class tonight. I'm just doing sumo. I'm gonna try to focus and really have a good run tonight. Go for top 2, top 3. Obviously, we're gonna try to win the race, but have a good points tonight and stay in position. So we're gonna have to make an adjustment and see what we gotta do and see how qualifying goes. Check out who made the trip. Pops. He's in the house. He just came from a car show today. Took his Dodge Challenger there. Yep, baby girl's trying to walk. We got all kinds of stuff going on down here at the track. Look, you can see Sammy over there. He's trying to get ready to race. He's got my Mac Life shirt on. So y'all stick around. I'm gonna try to park her in victory lane. Hey. Racing Blaze is in the house. How you doing tonight? Hey, you having fun?
Yep.
Is it hot? Oh yeah. What you racing tonight? Oh yeah. Flat cart? Alright, sweet.
Tomorrow I'm racing wing cart tomorrow.
Oh wow. So you got a flat cart tonight and a wing cart tomorrow. Pulling double duty. How's your channel going? Having fun? Good deal.
37 subscribers.
Nice. If y'all watching this, go to Racing Blaze, RacinBlaise. Racing Blaze, hey Sammy. And check out his YouTube channel and hit subscribe.
Bye.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. My Mac Life shirt. This is Chris's better half. She's here. She's leading the pit crew this race. Chris is going to park in victory lane. I'm hoping to park in victory lane. Go Tigers.
I'm wearing hair.
Wait a minute.
Oh,
Boom! Got another one. My Mac Life is in the house. White flag, Greg. Yeah. Pretty crazy race. Nothing, well, not too crazy. Had a good race. I got shuffled back to 4th, I think, on like the 2nd or 3rd, 4th lap, and just had to kind of pick them off a little bit. We had a good race, ended safely, so that's good. I'm gonna get some food now. I'm gonna get ready to see if Chris can park her in Victory Lane. He's gonna be running Predator 425. Y'all found me another Mac Life t-shirt. Bam! Wait, buddy. Racing Blaze. Third place finish. Nothing wrong with that, man. Podium finish. We are still here, getting packed up and everything, ready to go. Makai, my buddy here, got the win. Yeah. What class did you get the win in?
I run junior gold and medium.
Yeah.
Heavy.
Now you run what? So junior gold and medium, heavy. Have you ever done sumo?
And
I know you want to though.
And he did 375 Predator tonight. Halfway.
Good grief.
He's tired. He's wore
Dennis?
out.
Yep.
He's wore out.
All right. Cole in the background. All right, man. Well, what's your favorite thing about racing? Favorite thing?
I'm in.
Winning?
Yeah.
I knew you was going to say it. Cole, what's your favorite thing about racing?
Racing.
Yeah, just racing.
Going out and just racing.
That's fun. It's fun, man. It's a competitive spirit. Y'all know I've talked about that a bunch. Dennis, what's your favorite thing?
Watching these guys.
Yeah,
go.
watching them, man. You
Helping
do a
them
great
out
job.
a little bit and kind of steering them in the right direction, but they do. He does most of all himself. And from what I can tell, this one here does too.
That's awesome.
They do a great job.
Well, there's some good ones out here, guys. I mean, that's how it is at the track. You know, you meet folks and become friends with them and stuff and have a good time out here racing. Now, that's a cool bike right there. Got you a headlight on it. Looking good, dude. How'd you race tonight? Did you have fun?
I came in last, but I did good.
That's good, buddy, as long as you have fun, right?
Up with those people, and I would move as long as you.
All right.
And I would move.
Watch out. See you, buddy.